Good morning. Good morning. Hi, guys. My name is Betty, and welcome to Garden with Betty K. Guys, I'm trying to keep up with the calendar. Pray for me. I'm trying to keep up with South African calendar. My goodness, time is not favoring us. We don't have enough time. Motherhood is holding me with my washing. There's a lot of work to be done, and we have so little time. So today I want to prepare the soil here behind me, and then I want to plant some cabbage here because I went to Builders and I bought some cabbage seedlings because I saw from mogele yo go ja gape nako, yo go ja gape. So let's plant some cabbage, prepare the soil and plant some cabbage. If you are watching from anywhere around the world, I'm in South Africa and we are in the middle of autumn. Hwanyiwa. Enjoy the video. are the red cabbage and this is green. Guys, I wanted to plant this cabbage here, but I cannot. I cannot plant it. Look, it has. Where are you guys? Where are you? Let me fix this. Wait. So this cabbage has this it has bugs. Look, and it's only 1 week old, but I cannot even risk to put it in the garden, and I don't have time to treat these things. They're already everywhere. That the green one is fine, but this one not of it. You see, look at that, all of it. Like I say I'm going to save one or what, all of them they are damaged, so they're going straight to the dustbin because I cannot risk to plant this. So I think I'm going to plant some onions there. Let me go. Maybe I have like some seedlings of onions that are sitting. Let me go. I'm coming back. So you remember that other day we did the tissue paper situationship, this one. the tissue paper situationship. So I think the onions from here, they are ready, kind of. You see, onions, they take forever to sprout. So they're like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tissue, this thing, and put them straight inside the soil and wait for them to start growing a little bit. Then I'll separate them. And then I have some seeds of the cabbage. You see, I have this one. Finger crossed. I'm going to throw them somewhere in the one line and hope for the best. Maybe they will grow. Let's keep our finger crossed because we are being disappointed. Yo, tsentse matlho, shame. Space, it's only hope for that. Maybe they will grow. But I still have to buy another set of this cabbage seeds because these ones I don't trust them anymore. But for now, we hope for the best. Maybe they will disappoint us and then grow. So for now, I'm done. I don't want my videos to be too long. You guys enjoy short videos, so I'm gonna keep it that way, unless I'm doing garden tour. But if I do garden tour, do you guys want 2 part or 1 part? Because sometimes the video becomes like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Should I keep on sticking to 10 minutes, 5 minutes videos, or you want longer videos? Comment on the commentary section below. Ke re go tswa go nna monyana wa Motswana go tswa kwa Rusty Dusty Mahlange. Bye guys. Bye. For you.